In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save emails to files on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Mail app and then enter an email. Now guys, if we wanna save an email to our iPhone internal storage, we can easily do so. Actually, we can, by doing that, create a kind of backup copy of any email. And to do that, we need to first off tap right here at Share. Then scroll down, and unfortunately here we do not have an option that allows us to save that email directly to Files app. However, here we got a workaround. To continue, we just need to hit right here where it says print. From here, if we have some printer connected, we can just print that email. However, we need to tap right here at that share button, and what that will do, that will convert that email into PDF document. And then we can, if we scroll down a bit, save this document to files by hitting right here. After that, we need to choose a directory for our document. I'm just gonna save it to the directory which is called On My iPhone. To save this document, we just need to hit right here at Save. Once it is done, we can easily go to Files app. It is official Apple application to manage files on your device. If you cannot find it on your home screens, you can just swipe down and then search for files. In that way, it is by default pre-installed on any iPhone. And then we need to get into it and head over to On My iPhone directory. If you cannot find that directory, first off, I recommend you to go to Files app kind of homepage, and that's under locations. We can easily find On My iPhone, and here is our PDF file. We can tap on it to open it up, and that's where we can check that our email that we have saved here was saved successfully. That's how we can save it, and then if we want, we can share it with someone via, let's say, some messenger. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.